For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has made an appeal to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah, asking them to take care of the current situation prevailing in the state. West Bengal CM also added that there is no time to focus on politics and said that in order to stop the virus, there should be unity. Amit Shah and Mamata Banerjee have recently attacked each other over the COVID-19 situation. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has decided to exempt buses of state-owned Road Transport Corporation from night curfew, which is in force across the state as part of COVID-19 lockdown. Telangana has reported over 1,990 cases and 57 deaths due to the deadly pandemic. Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren has declared that industrial activities in all urban areas will be allowed in the state barring containment zones. Jharkhand has reported over 420 cases and 4 deaths due to COVID-19 pandemic. Economic activities in different parts of the country has resumed following relaxation stated by the government. Chief Secretary of Delhi Government Vijay Dev has ordered all concerned authorities to ensure that foreign returnees who were quarantined in hotels and paid advance of 14 days shall be refunded their balance amount without any delay. The decision comes after Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla directed all state chief secretaries to do the same. In what came as heartbreaking news, a 3-year-old child slipped into a borewell in Telangana's Medak district. As soon as the incident was reported, the police and firefighting operation rushed to the spot in order to rescue the child. NDRF team is also present at the spot while officials are unsure whether the child is alive or dead. Late on Wednesday night, a fire broke out at Hotel Fortune in Dhobi Talao in Mumbai. 5 fire tenders and 4 jumbo tanks were rushed to the spot immediately in order to douse the fire. Around 25 doctors who were sheltering at the hotel were evacuated safely. On the intervening night of Wednesday and Thursday, 3 children died prematurely after a slab fell on them at a construction site in Patna. The children were rushed to the hospital after the incident took place, but they succumbed to the wounds. Patna District Magistrate Ravi Kumar has announced an ex gratia of 4 lakh rupees to the families of the victims. Flash floods in Assam continue to pour misery on those residing in the eastern state of the country. 1 person has died while 2.72 lakh people have been affected in 11 districts of Assam. Goalpara district is the worst affected due to the floods in Assam. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated his Sri Lankan counterpart Mahinda Rajapaksa for completing 50 years since his first election to the Parliament of Sri Lanka. PM Modi complimented the Sri Lankan PM for his illustrious career in politics. Modi also discussed the health and economic impact with Mahinda Rajapaksa due to the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic.